Hmm. It's morning. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Look at this. Oh fuck. Fuck. Look at. I just came on. I just came on to do the came on terrace by doing shower. I fucking look at this. At 5:59 a.m. I probably guess I come at 5:50. So look at this. We have beautifully, beautifully. Where's GJ? GJ. Beautifully avoided the loss, man. Fuck. I just saw his chart before going to chart. I always turn on the video. Fuck, we have avoided the loss, man. We beautifully avoided the loss. Which means wow, yeah. Like what in the world? Wow, yeah. Means I was fucking correct. I was fucking correct, man.
8 hours.
I was fucking correct. I was exactly correct. It is very rare that it is gonna create this type of candle. It is extremely rare. We got every single thing we want, man. We got our retracement, we got our doji, we got our shift of structure. We literally got every single thing. I'm just not gonna lie. We literally got every single thing. And guess what? GBP CAD is the currency was Alex was looking at it to take the trade because it was looking so brilliant. But again, I really don't look. Wait. Is he have took? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see where it is. Where it is. Instagram. Shit. I'm so making it fun of Instagram. Fucking suspend me, yaar, for no reason. I really don't have time to look into it. So, Easy took the trade. I'm suing.
My car got keyed. I have every car
Loving.
you can imagine.
Nah. Ah, wow. Look at this. Fuck, man. Fuck me. Look at this. And look at this. So whole difference, like 190-degree difference. But the matter of fact, Alex haven't showed that he took the trade or not, but he was looking at it. I was knowing this, so this was also looking brilliant. Yeah, yeah, we getting engulfings on engulfings right here. This could be a trade right here. Probably should maybe take, but I don't care. I just have avoided the loss, the perfection. We literally got every single thing, yeah. Just because of waiting for the weekly. Weekly was not looking good. Weekly time frame. Look at this. I'm not interested because of weekly time frame. I have written it over here because it is not looking for a fucking good. I'm just not going to take the trade. So I was challenged. I was giving the challenge over here on the YouTube. That I'm missing. I'm not taking this trade. So am I going to miss this trade, or am I going to miss the profits, or am I going to avoid the loss? And it turns out I avoided the loss to perfection by just doing that thing. Fuck me. So one more trade, the other trade which was shortlisted, USD CAD, is coming consolidation. I just don't like it. What it is today is Thursday, Friday. Oh, I see what is gonna get happen. Oh my goodness. Okay. This looks like it is gonna have the selling this next week. It's probably creating the beautiful. It's higher high, then it is going to close below this two candle, and it is going to retrace, and it is going to come to a downside. I probably guess this is what is going to get happen. Probably. So let's continue the lecture, man. I can see the sunrise. You wanna see the sunrise? Let me just record it. Mm. You wanna see the sunrise, right? Look at this. Let me just take you to sunrise. Let me just take you to the sunrise. Motherfucking sunrise. I love the sunrise. You won't even believe. Look at this. Oh, actually, there is no sunrise. Fuck. It is about to happen. Yeah, it is about. I can see the little bit top right there. If you can see, wait, let me just point it. This is the sunrise. Yeah, yeah. The thing you can see over here. Why this is having the filter? Wait, wait. I will just go out of the frame. Yeah, this one. This one, yeah. This one right there is a sunrise happening. Beautiful, isn't it? Holy shit. Let me just go back to the place. Over here there is so much line. It can fucking fall us. So I'm like, why in the world I came on terrace? Man, the first of all, I don't give a fuck. No, I give a fuck. The reason I came on terrace because I wanna continue to do the lecture of flipping the $100 to $1,000,000. But I look beautiful, yeah, like crazy. I'm just obsessed about me. The way I'm looking right now is like a multi-billion-dollar. So we have a haircut yesterday, and we have the body right here, waiting to get. All right, so yeah, this is a lecture. This is lecture. This is not lecture actually. This is the video. This is just this one is this. Holy fucking shit. This is a seven or ninth video. I'm looking at it to convert $100 to $1,000,000. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Let's do the fucking lectures, practice of trading, secrets of mother. Oh shit! Oh shit! We can now clearly see the sunrise. Look at this. Look at yeah, look at that. Look at it. If you can see, you can see. If you don't, fuck off. What else I can say, brother? What the fuck I can say? So yeah, this is how it looks like. Beautiful sunrise. Signing off. I will also shoot it and my fucking vlog. Bye bye.